A local church is seeking a new proprietor to take over the running of a much-loved historic building. St Nicolas Place is situated on Kings Norton Green, surrounded by pub, shops, hairdressers and even tattoo parlour, making it a very community-centred village. The community have been coming together to try and raise money to keep it open.
It's constantly busy from the minute you come in, from Slimming World to dancing clubs to what I think the people that would feel it the most is the elderly, because every day here the same people come and have a lunch, have a chit chat, meet people, the volunteers that run everything, give them time. It's just the local community would really feel it.
A class that regularly meets here is the Pilates class.
The whole area, the church and this hall and all the history that goes along with it, it's just a beautiful place, and it would be a shame to not be able to keep it.
St Nicolas Place has been part of the community for over 500 years, but it now finds itself struggling to fund any damages and repairs that they has to the building. Another class that regularly meets here is Feel the Rhythm Dance School.
I've been here 8 years, so I started my school here, and we continue to use this hall, and it's just a beautiful facility. The floors are fabulous, which for a dance school is really important. There's loads of different activities that go on here for the community, from all the way from the little ones that do like the rhythm time.
Every pound helps in keeping this community asset alive, so why not get involved? Ellie Macdonald, Birmingham.